Alright, today we have a 2017 Honda Odyssey 3.5. The belt tensioner down there is no good. It comes as an assembly. This is the Continental belt. I believe it's made by Gates. This is our new assembly. Let's see. This is our Rock Auto part number. So I did do some work on this car before, where this one was stripped and I had to get to it to get to the AC clutch that's down here. This pivots off the shock this way. And this goes into the block. So we'll use a socket here on this one to pull the tension off, get the belt out of the way. We'll pull the wheel off because you can't get to anything over here. The wheel comes off, the plastic assembly inside, the liner. We'll pull that back. And then we can get to this belt bolt here. Once we take this one off and this one off, assembly will fall out. You'll see it. I'll show you once we get the wheel up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic cover off quick. It's only held by two clips here and here. You just turn them and they're done. And then we'll get the long extension flat tool to bend over this assembly here. Pull the belt off, and then we'll go ahead and rip the wheel off, and I'll be back and show you what I got. Cover's off. I did want to show you I pulled this little wiring harness out of the way, this wiring harness out of the way, just so when I pull the tension, it'll come off. And I also pulled this reservoir because the hose goes across. The one in question is down there. Let's see, you can't really point at it. Let's see if you can see it right. You can kind of see the bolt sticking out right there where the light's at, right by the alternator above it. Here, right here. And the one underneath it is the one that's all worn out. Let's see if I can zoom in. So you see the nut that I'm going to grab, it looked like I grabbed it from last time. And then the pulleys are those two on top of each other. And when it goes through the boxes, that one there, but you see how it's all dirty and messed up. I'll show you when I pull it out, but I'm going to pivot off this one here. Alright, let me get it done. Alright, with the belt out the way, you can see this is my tool that I used. It's a 19mm bolt. You see the one that I'm pivoting off of right here. Right there. That's it. Belt's off. Get the wheel off. Okay, I did this assembly. As you can see, there's a bunch of little plastics that pop out. I replaced them last time. It's here. Let's see, these little mount. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Here, and here. The only reason why I'm showing this, there's one here, 10mm. And there's one here, but this one is pushed in recess. You don't see it, so you break them. Now don't be like Walnut Creek Cadillac and don't replace them. I bought a pack of 100 for like $77. I'm sorry, for like $8. I bought a pack of 50. Replace them. They don't cost that much. Again. So this is that new clutch you can see. I'll get a light down here. This is our assemblies. It's loose with the belt. This is the shock or strut that puts the tension on it. We'll take this bolt out and then this bolt out, and the assembly should fall. So on this side was the 19mm pivot. This one was the stripped one. Again, I'll get light on here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is the assembly out. This is a 12mm bolt here. This one's 11/16. This is the bad assembly. This is the one that's stripped. This is the good one that we get from the top. And if you listen, no issues. This one, you can hear the bearing. Right there, you can hear it. That's garbage. way better.